yeah. Nyabinghi drum steady roll. Tape echo inna the night. Listen. Corner get loud when the rhythm drop. Everybody move when the bass line pop. Stories flying from mouth to ear. Some full of truth, some full of fear. She stepping at the place with a knowing smile. Mystery walking every mile. People talk but them can't confirm. Truth revealing a longer term. Rumor run fast but truth walk slow. Only time will make it show. Under the moon and the street light beam. Life no always what it seems. Whisper on the corner, echo on the street. Every story rise when the people meet. Some are truth, some are fantasy, mixed up in a reality. Whisper on the corner, rhythm so tight. Dance through the drama every night. Nyabinghi drum and the hand them call. We rise above it all. Young man hustle for a better life. Dodging pressure, stress and strife. She they are too strong and wise. Fire in her soul, truth in her eyes. Romance grow but the rough out here. Love mix up with doubt and fear. Still them hold on, try figure it out. What real love truly about. Rumor run fast but truth walk slow. Only time will make it show. Under the moon and the street light beam. Life no always what it seems. Whisper on the corner, echo on the street. Every story rise when the people meet. Some are truth, some are fantasy, mixed up in a reality. Whisper on the corner, rhythm so bright. Talking truth to the dance all night. Nyabinghi drum and the hand them call. We rise above it all. Yeah, the city whisper low. Nobody really sure what them know. But justice moving slow but sure. Truth will open every door. No deception can last forever. Everything revealed together. System full of distraction, yeah. Everybody chasing fame, but the youth them need direction clear. Not just gossip and fear. So we chant through the sound system fire. Rise higher and higher. Unity stronger than the talk them spread. Build a future instead. Whisper on the corner, truth reveal. Every broken story start to heal. From the street to the higher light, we survive the fight. Whisper on the corner, fight so strong. Right will always conquer wrong. Nyabinghi drum and the hand them call. One love unite us all. Tape echo, drifting through the night. Nyabinghi heartbeat steady, truth remain. Yeah. Nyabinghi heartbeat steady. Tape echo blessings floating. Give thanks. Yeah. Morning light touch the rooftop edge. New day calling from the city ledge. Bare feet dancing to the rising sun. Grateful for life and everything we've done. From the corner where the struggle grow, we still find beauty in the flow. Every setback turn into lesson learned. Every dark road help we return. No matter what the world bring true, we still find strength to make it true. Hearts stay clean, spirits stay free. That's how life was meant to be. We give thanks daily, every breath we take. Even through the fire and the earthquake. Love in our heart, light in our eyes. Rise up strong and reach the skies. We give thanks daily, we still survive. Through every storm we stay alive. Nyabinghi drum and the hand them sing. Celebration of everything she walk. Through the ghetto with a royal vibe. Healing energy she can't hide. Not just beauty but wisdom deep. Promises she always keep. Romance bloom in a simple ways. Laughing together through the hardest days. No material could replace this joy. Pure connection them can't destroy. No matter what the world bring through, we still find strength to make it true. Heart stay clean, spirit stay free. That's how life was meant to be. We give thanks daily, every breath we take, even through the fire and the earthquake. Love in our heart, light in our eyes. Rise up strong and reach the skies. We give thanks daily, we still survive. Through every storm we stay alive. Nyabinghi drum and the anthem sing, celebration of everything. Hear the voices from the inner city, still dreaming of possibility. Justice call from the concrete lane, trying to break the chain. Love is stronger than the pain. We rise again and again. Youth them searching for direction clear, trying to conquer every fear. System rough but them still believe in a future them can achieve. So we chant truth in the sound system space. Every heart find a rightful place. Unity stronger than the war them bring. Hope is a powerful thing. We give thanks daily, every breath we take, even through the fire and the earthquake. Love in our heart, light in our eyes. Rise up strong and reach the skies. We give thanks daily, forevermore. Healing waves from shore to shore. Nyabinghi drum and the horn them sing. Life itself is everything. The echo drifting into sunrise. Nyabinghi heartbeat continues. Gratitude, love, light. Yeah. Nyabinghi drums steady like heartbeat. Tape echo memories floating. Listen. We used to dance on the street like glow. Same corner where the cold breeze blow. Laughter sweet but reality sharp. Two young hearts learning love from dark. He had dreams but the road stay rough. She had patience but it wasn't enough. Every promise sound good in the night, but morning exposed truth in the light. Feelings rise but the timing wrong. Love too real but the struggle too strong. Every kiss carry joy and pain, like sunshine mixed with sudden rain. It feel like almost perfect timing. Two hearts close but never aligning. Love so deep but the words stay cold. Stories untold slowly unfold. It feel like almost perfect timing. Echoes of us still redefining. If love was enough we'd never part. But life play tricks on the human heart. She see the system keep people down. Broken dreams in every town. He try hustle just to survive. Still grateful just to be alive. Romance sweet but reality real. Not every wound is meant to heal. Still she love him with all her soul. Even when life take control. Feelings rise but the timing wrong. Love too real but the struggle too strong. Every kiss carry joy and pain, like sunshine mixed with sudden rain. It feel like almost perfect timing. Two hearts close but never aligning. Love so deep but the words stay cold. Stories untold slowly unfold. It feel like almost perfect timing. Echoes of us still redefining. If love was enough we'd never part. But life play tricks on the human heart. Hear the city cry at midnight. Youth them searching for a better life. Nyabinghi drum hold the truth inside. While love and struggle collide. Justice calling through the concrete lane. But survival still remains. Friends turn stranger in the race. Everybody chasing higher place. But she still wonder if love was enough. Through the smooth and through the rough. No villainy, just circumstance. Miss dancing to the heart. Nyabinghi heartbeat continues. Memories drifting through the night. Almost love, almost forever. Yeah. Nyabinghi drum roll steady. Tape echoing in the air. Listen up. She step out clean in the city light. Confidence glowing in the night. She know play a game, she know her work. She a queen from the day of birth. She watch the men them in the street. Some a talk loud but them can't compete. Only real energy catch her eye. She no settle for no weak reply. Every man a talk but she see through. Only action show what them can do. Respect and love is the real demand. Not just words from a empty hand. Man a hustle for love, for attention, for trust. But only truth surviving a the dust. If you're real and step up now, show the world exactly. Oh, man a hustle for love, but she not joke. She no fall for sweet talk, smoke. Only strength and heart qualify under the same Caribbean sky. He come from the corner with ambition strong. Working 2 jobs all day long. Street life rough but he still hold firm. Every lesson teach him how to earn. She see the struggle in him eyes. No disguise, just truth, no lies. Slowly connection start to grow. Like rivers where feelings flow. Every man a talk but she see true. Only action show what them can do. Respect and love is the real demand. Not just words from my empty hand. Man also feel love, feel attention, feel trust. But only truth survive in the dust. If you're real then step up now. Show the world exactly, oh. Man also feel love, but she not joke. She no fall for sweet talk, smoke. Only strength and heart qualify under the same Caribbean sky. Hear the city cry every night. People searching for better life. Nyabinghi drum keep this all alive. Love and justice must survive. No more fear, only real remain. Through the pleasure and through the pain. You them trapped in a system tight. Still them dreaming of better life. Education and opportunity scarce, but hope still floating in the air. So she teach love and she teach respect. Every soul she try to protect. Romance and truth walk hand in hand. Building future on the promised land. Man I also feel love, for attention, for trust. But only truth surviving at the dust. If you're real then step up now. Show the world exactly, oh. Man I also feel love, but she stand tall. She no bend, she no fall. Real connection is the only way. In the light of a brand new day. Nyabinghi heartbeat continues. Tape echo drifting through the night. One love, one truth, one life.
And all I want stop in the distance, yeah. Nyabinghi drum on the right. Tape echo in the air. Listen, yeah. Stepping at the dance, the place get bright. Sound system shaking through the night. Bassline heavy like a moving train. Healing joy mixed with pain. From the ghetto streets where the struggle run deep, people still dancing, refuse to sleep. Every heartbeat sync with the drum. One love energy make we come. Riddim move, don't stop, don't stop. Everybody rise when the horns them call. True vibes flow like a river stream. Living out loud in a real dancehall dream. She stepped forward with confident grace. Fire in her spirit, light in her face. Not just beauty but wisdom inside. Strength of a queen she can't hide. Romance whisper in a corner, but she want truth, not foolish game. Real connection must earn her name. From the street to the hills up high, we chant freedom till the day we fly. No division can break this link. Unity deeper than people think. Yeah, bam bam energy, rhythm so strong. Echo them roll like a freedom song. Dance till the darkness turn into light. Hold on the vibes through the whole night. Bam bam energy, truth we defend. Rise as a people, never pretend. Nyabinghi fire, burning bright, guiding we forward through the fight. Babylon pressure not the system play. Still we maintain dignity and grace. You them searching for better way. Hoping tomorrow bring brighter day. So we chant wisdom in the air. Love and justice everywhere. Music become the weapon of peace. Let oppression finally cease. Hear the cry from the inner lane. Too much struggle, too much strain, but hope still rising through the sound. Unity must hold the ground. Nyabinghi beat now go stop. Yeah. Truth and righteousness with the top. Bam bam energy, rhythm so strong. Echo them roll like a freedom song. Dance till the darkness turn into light. Hold on the vibes through the whole night. Bam bam energy, heart and soul. Music healing, making us whole. From the struggle we rise again. Love and justice reign. Yeah. Nyabinghi heartbeat continues. Tape echoes dissolving the wind. Yeah. One love, one people, one rhythm. Yeah.
Yeah. Nyabinghi drums in the night. Tape echo floating pon the breeze. Hear this. She walk through fire and never burn. Every lesson life teach she learn. Concrete jungle try hold her down. Still she rise like royal crown. Street talk loud but she hear truth. From the struggle straight back to youth. No apology for who she be. Strong like roots of a sycamore tree. Them try bend her but she don't break. Every move she make is a step of faith. Charly guide her through the storm. Keep her spirit steady and warm. Iron heart woman, stand so firm. Through every battle she take her turn. Fire in her soul, lightning in her eye. She don't back down, she reach the sky. Iron heart woman, voice so loud. Rise above the system, rise above the crowd. Nothing can shake what she believe. Strong like roots of the sycamore tree. Love in her life but she know her worth. Not every promise bring peace on earth. She want real truth, not fantasy game. A partner who respect her name. She see the youth, them struggling hard. Broken dreams in every heart. So she teach them fi hold them ground. Make new hope where none was found. Them try bend her but she don't break. Every move she make is a step of faith. Gyal guide her through the storm. Keep her spirit steady and warm. Iron heart woman, stand so firm. Through every battle, she take her turn. Fire in her soul, lightning in her eye. She don't back down, she reach the sky. Iron heart woman, voice so loud. Rise above the system, rise above the crowd. Nothing can shake what she believe. Strong like roots of the sycamore tree. Yeah, yeah, the cry from the ghetto lane. Too much struggle, too much pain. But unity is the only way to see brighter days. Nyabinghi fire never fade. Truth and justice must be made. Iron heart stay in control. Love and power inside her breathe. Strong like roots of the sycamore tree. Iron heart woman, destiny bright. She turned the darkness into light. Nothing can tear what she believes. Forever rooted, never naive. Nyabinghi heartbeat continuous. Echo, dissolving in space. Strength, love, survival. Yeah. Nyabinghi drum steady. In the background, echo, floating like a prayer. We move. Yeah. Wake up early, sun touch me skin. Give thanks to life before the day begin. From the ghetto streets where the pressure rise, still me see blessings through me eyes. Them say rough, but me still shine through. Every scar tell story of what me know. No silver spoon, but me spirit clean. Built from hustle and a bigger dream. Look how far me come, me can't deny. Through every tear, me learn to fly. Jah, keep me steady through the storm. Protect me heart and keep me warm. Me highly favored, me highly blessed. Through every battle, me pass the test. Nothing them do can break my soul. Me energy pure, me heart control. Me highly favored, watch me glow. From the struggle, me continue grow. Every step guided by higher light. Everything gonna be alright. She walk with grace in the concrete jungle. Never bow down, never start to crumble. Love in her heart, but she know the truth. Street life teach wisdom to the youth. Romance sweet, but it can't blindside. She want real love, not temporary hype. Still she believe in a better day, where peace and justice find them way. Look how far me come, me can't deny. Through every tear, me learn to fly. Jah, keep me steady through the storm. Protect me heart and keep me warm. Me highly favor, me highly blessed. Through every battle, me pass the test. Nothing them do can break my soul. Me energy pure, me heart control. Me highly favored, watch me glow. From the struggle, me continue grow. Every step guided by higher light. Everything gonna be alright. Hear the cry from the inner city. Children searching for dignity, but love still rise like morning sun until the battle is won. Nyabinghi fire now cool down. Righteous people hold the ground. Me highly favored, me highly blessed. Them try stress me, but me still progress. Light in the darkness guide my road. Strength in me heart overflowed. Me highly favored, forever shine. Divine protection all the time. From the struggle me rise above, powered by faith and endless love. Nyabinghi heartbeat continues. Echo, dissolving in the night. Gratitude, blessings. Yeah. Nyabinghi rolling steady. Echo vibes in the dance. Watch this. Stepping on the dance and the whole place shift. Energy heavy like a spiritual gift. She no beg favor, she create her own lane. Fire in her step, never move in vain. Street like globe on the midnight road. Every move she make carry heavy load. From the ghetto rise with a royal stance. Turn pain to power every time she dance. Bassline beat like a revolution call. Everybody rise when the rhythm fall. No fear, no shame, just truth inside. Let the fire in her heart be your guide. Queen make the place rock, rock, rock. Feel the drum and the hand them shock, shock, shock. Move with power, don't stop, stop, stop. Energy high to the very top. Queen make the place hot, hot, hot. Every step she take hit this spot, spot, spot. Light up the night, let the spark, spark, spark. Dance a flame in the dark. She talk in life. Raise up youths and make them fly. No disguise, she authentic soul. Healing the broken, making them whole. Romance sweet, but the rough out here. Love mixed up with struggle and fear. Still she hold on, that steady heart. Even when the world tear them apart. Bassline beat like a revolution call. Everybody rise when the rhythm fall. No fear, no shame, just truth inside. Let the fire in her heart be your guide. Queen make the place rock, rock, rock. Feel it drop man the hand, them shock, shock, shock. Move with power, don't stop, stop, stop. Energy high to the very top. Queen make the place hot, hot, hot. Every step she take, hit this spot, spot, spot. Light up the night, let it spark, spark, spark. Dance a flame in the dark. Feel the people cry for better days. Justice needed in so many ways. Nyabinghi drum keep the fire alive. Only truth and love will survive. Freedom call through the concrete lane. Turn the struggle into strength again. Queen make the place rock, 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 rock. Queen make the place rock, rock, rock. Fire energy can't be stopped, stop, stop. Spirit elevated, heart full of life. She control the dance all night. Queen make the place hot, hot, hot. Like it's a built in every shot, shot, shot. From the struggle she rise and she spark. Dancer queen, light up the dark. Yeah. Nyabinghi happy continues. Gear back up, drifting away. One love, one power, one fire.
Yeah. Nyabinghi drums in on the street tonight. Typical vibration. Move. Oh na 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 na. Oh. Corner block shaking when the bass line drop. You them a dance till the whole place pop. Street light flash like a rebel signal. Every step them take feel spiritual. Hungry belly but the spirit stay strong. Hustle all day just for right the wrong. System pressure but we still hold firm. Every struggle teach a lesson to learn. Raise up your hands when the trumpet call. One love energy connect we all. Through fire and storm we no lose control. Nyabinghi rhythm heal the soul. Fire upon the corner let the people ignite. Dance through the darkness into the light. Horns a chant while the echo roll on. Freedom music till the break of dawn. Fire upon the corner, spirit can't tame. Every heart beating like a righteous flame. Move to the rhythm, let the truth be shown. Stand in your power, claim your throne. She step out clean with a warrior smile. Beauty and strength mixed with island style. Love in her eyes, but she know the pain. Still she rise through the sun and rain. Babylon system try divide the land, but unity is stronger than any man plan. From the ghetto streets to the mountain high, we chant freedom till the day we fly. Raise up your hands when the trumpet call. One love energy connect we all. Through fire and storm we no lose control. Nyabinghi rhythm heal the soul. Fire upon the corner let the people ignite. Dance through the darkness into the light. Horns a chant while the echo roll on. Freedom music till the break of dawn. Fire upon the corner, spirit can't tame. Every heart beating like a righteous flame. Move to the rhythm, let the truth be shown. Stand in your power, claim your throne. Justice cry in the street tonight. Children dreaming of a better life. No more chain, no more fear to hide. Love and truth shall be our guide. Nyabinghi drum never stop the fight. We rise together in a jar light.
dance through the darkness into the light. Horns are chant while the echo roll on. Freedom music till the break of dawn. Fire upon the corner, warriors arise. Truth in our heart and fire in our eyes. From the struggle we born and reborn. Spirit of the people can't be torn. Hey people, drifting. Nyabinghi heartbeat continues. Fire still burning. One love. Yeah now, tape echoes drifting through the night. Nyabinghi heartbeat steady. This one is for the queens. Moonlight shine up on the avenue. The whole city glowing in a silver hue. Then she appear with a graceful smile, making every moment worthwhile. Not impressed by riches or flashy style, she values honesty all the while. Strong and wise with a loving soul, the kind of woman who makes you whole. When the road gets rough and the pressure climb, she reminds me everything takes time. Through every storm and every test, her faithful heart stands above the rest. Lady of my dreams, you're the light I see, a source of strength and serenity. From sunrise gold to the midnight stars, your love can heal the deepest scars. Lady of my dreams, stay close tonight. Together we'll journey toward the light. One heart beating with destiny, forever bound in harmony. Around the corner the children play, while workers hustle throughout the day. Families hoping for better times, searching for peace beyond the headlines. She tells the youth to keep moving ahead. Fill your mind with wisdom instead. Build your future with steady hands. Create opportunities across the land. When the road gets rough and the pressure climb, she reminds me everything takes time. Through every storm and every test, her faithful heart stands above the rest. Lady of my dreams, you're the light I see, a source of strength and serenity. From sunrise gold to the midnight stars, your love can heal the deepest scars. Lady of my dreams, stay close tonight. Together we'll journey toward the light. One heart beating with destiny, forever bound in harmony. Lady and Alani. Oh. Lady and Alani. 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 Lady and Alani goes calling. Lady Nyabinghi, drums rolling. The people cry for equal rights, for brighter days and peaceful nights. No matter where the struggle starts, love remains the strongest part. We stand together, side by side. Let compassion be the guide. From the valleys to the sea, build a world of unity. Lady of my dreams, you're the light I see, a source of strength and serenity. From sunrise gold to the midnight stars, your love can heal the deepest scars. Lady of my dreams, stay close tonight. Together we'll journey toward the light. One heart beating with destiny, forever bound in harmony. Tape echoes drifting. Nyabinghi heartbeat continues. Yeah, yeah. Nyabinghi drums rolling, tape echoes floating through the air. Tonight we celebrate life. Yeah. Yeah. Friday evening and the whole town bright. Street vendors smiling underneath the lights. Sound system shaking every avenue. Positive vibes flowing the whole night through. She step in the dance with confidence and grace. A joyful spirit lighting up the place. Not chasing fame, not chasing gold. Her heart shines brighter than treasures untold. Raise your hands if you're feeling strong. Every voice adding to the song. Leave your worries by the door tonight. Let your spirit take flight. Light up the night, let the good vibes flow. From the city streets to the seaside glow. Dance with freedom underneath the stars above. Moving with joy, unity and love. Light up the night, hear the horns proclaim. Every heart burning with a brighter flame. Through every challenge, through every fight, the people celebrate life tonight. Young dreams growing on the neighborhood lane. People working hard through sunshine and rain. Some seek justice, some seek peace. Praying one day the struggle cease. She tells the youth never give up hope. Keep your faith strong and learn to cope. Her words inspire like a guiding light, helping many through the darkest night. Raise your hands if you're feeling strong. Every voice adding to the song. Leave your worries by the door tonight. Let your spirit take flight. Light up the night, let the good vibes flow. From the city streets to the seaside glow. Dance with freedom underneath the stars above. Moving with joy, unity and love. Light up the night, hear the horns proclaim. Every heart burning with a brighter flame. Through every challenge, through every fight, the people celebrate life tonight. Nyabinghi heartbeat call. One love rising for one and all. Hear the Nyabinghi heartbeat call. One love rising for one and all. Too many wars divide the land. Still together we stand hand in hand. Justice, kindness, dignity, building a stronger community. Another gun sing through the breeze, carrying hope across the seas. The future belongs to those who try. Keep your dreams reaching high. Light up the night, let the good vibes flow. From the city streets to the seaside glow. Dance with freedom underneath the stars above. Moving with joy, unity and love. Light up the night, hear the horns proclaim. Every heart burning with a brighter flame. Through every challenge, through every fight, the people celebrate life tonight. Drums still beating. One love, one people, one bright future. You know, Nyabinghi drums rolling, tape echoes in the distance. Love and strength tonight. Na 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 na. From the corner where the music played, I saw her smile at the end of the day. Grace in her walk, fire in her eyes, shining brighter than the city lights. The streets get rough, but she never complained. Standing strong through sunshine and rain. Wisdom and courage in every word. A voice of hope that deserves to be heard. When the world gets cold and the pressure rise, she reminds me to keep my eyes on the road that leads to better days. Through faith and love we find our way. She's the queen of my heart, that's the truth I know. Like a river of blessings, her love still flows. Through the highs and lows, through the storm and fire, brings peace to my soul every night. Queen of my heart, standing by my side, with Jah as our guide and our dreams alive. No silver or gold could ever compare to the strength and love that we both share. Youth on the block searching for a chance, trying to escape from the circumstance. Too many doors remain locked and closed, too many dreams left unexplored. Still the people rise with determination, building up across the nation. One hand helping another stand, together we strengthen the line. When the world gets cold and the pressure rise, she reminds me to keep my eyes on the road that leads to better days. Through faith and love we find our way. She's the queen of my heart, that's the truth I know. Like a river of blessings, her love still flows. Through the highs and lows, through the storm and fight, brings peace to my soul every night. Queen of my heart, standing by my side, with Jah as our guide and our dreams alive. No silver or gold could ever compare to the strength and love that we both share. Hear the horns calling across the town, lift every spirit feeling down. Nyabinghi heartbeat, strong and clear, a message of unity for all to hear. No matter the struggle, no matter the pain, love and justice shall remain. Stand firm, stay true, keep holding on. The darkest night gives way to dawn. She's the queen of my heart, that's the truth I know. Like a river of blessings, her love still flows. Through the highs and lows, through the storm and fight, she brings peace to my soul every night. Queen of my heart, standing by my side, with Jah as our guide and our dreams alive. Together we'll rise, together we'll shine. One love forever through all of time. Nyabinghi drums continue. Tape echoes in the distance. One love, one heart. Sunshine pon the corner, Nyabinghi drums beating strong. Tape echoes floating through the breeze. Everybody feeling free. Morning light paint all on the street, children laughing to the reggae beat. Vendors calling from the market square, sweet island spirit filling the air. From the hillside down to the bay, people celebrate another day. Hard times visit but hope remains, like flowers growing after the rain. Lift your voice and sing along, strength of the people make us strong. No matter where you're coming from, under the sun we move as one. Sunshine pon the corner, everybody feel alright. Dancing through the daytime, glowing through the night. Horns calling freedom, while the drum beat carry on. Love and unity rising with the dawn. Sunshine pon the corner, let your worries drift away. Hold your dreams higher with each passing day. Echoes of tomorrow in the warm Caribbean breeze, hearts full of courage, minds at ease. She walks softly with a radiant smile, making every struggle worthwhile. Eyes full of faith, heart full of grace, bringing pure joy to every place. We sit beneath the evening sky, watching the seabirds passing by. Speaking of dreams yet to come true, building a future for me and you. Lift your voice and sing along, the strength of the people make us strong. No matter where you're coming from, under the sun we move as one. Sunshine pon the corner, everybody feel alright. Dancing through the daytime, glowing through the night. Horns calling freedom, while the drum beat carry on. Love and unity calling for justice once again. Families working day and night, searching for opportunity and light. Leaders listen to the people's cry. Every youth deserves a chance to fly. Together stronger than divisions. Why? When one stand firm, we all stand tall. We all stand tall. Sunshine by the corner, everybody feel alright. Dancing through the daytime, glowing through the night. Horns calling freedom while the drum beat carry on. Love and unity rising with the dawn. Sunshine on the corner, let your spirit freely soar. Open every window, open every door. Hope shine brighter than it's ever done before. One love forevermore. Analog on steady, Nyabinghi heartbeat rolling. Sunshine in the soul. One love. Yeah. Da 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 da. Step in the yard when the bass line drop. Street light glow and the whole block rock. Nyabinghi drums keep a militant pace. Young lions move with courage and grace. System too hard but we still survive. Working all day just to stay alive. From the corner shop to the city train, people hold faith through the struggle and pain. Raise your hands when the horns sound loud. Truth and justice lift the crowd. Gyal light shine through the darkest night. Guide the people toward what's right. Who stands strong when the pressure come? Lion of the yard never turn and run. Echo through the dance till the morning sun. One heart, one love, we move as one. She walked by with a smile so bright, healing my soul in the middle of the night. Not about gold, not about fame. Real love stronger than a temporary game. We share dreams on our rooftop high, watching the stars paint the midnight sky. Even when the rent gets hard to pay, her steady faith keeps fear away. Hear the cry, hear the cry from me in a city lane. Too many youths caught in cycles of pain. Schools need hope, families need care. Leaders must listen and answer the prayer. Analog horns call across the town. Lift every spirit that's feeling down. From Kingston breeze to the world abroad, people still searching for peace from Jah. Who stands strong when the pressure come? Lion of the yard never turn and run. Echo through the dance till the morning sun. One Lord, one love, we move as one. Who keep hope when the road gets rough? Lion of the yard said the people enough. March with courage till the victory won. One Lord, one love, we move as one. Loving the heartbeat still rolling. Dancehall spirit keep calling. Rise up, 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 rise up. Echo rolling through the night. Tape delay, whispering truth. Nyabinghi drums beat strong. Rise up, rise up, rise up. Street lights glow. Street lights glow on the corner tonight. Youth them searching for a better life. Mama pray while the system squeeze till we stand like roots of the ancient trees. Every struggle, leave a lesson behind. Keep your spirit sharp and your heart aligned. Babylon pressure try hold we down, but we wear our courage like a golden crown. Hands to the sky, let the blessings fall. When one rise up, we rise all. From the valley to the mountain high, no chain can stop a determined mind. Rise through the fire, brighter than before. Knock on destiny's unbreakable door. Dance through the pain, let your soul be free. One love, one heart, one family. Rise through the fire, never lose your way. Gyal, I guide every step today. Hear the horns as they call your name. Stand firm, stand tall, reclaim your flame. She moved graceful through the city breeze, eyes full of hope and dignity. Love like sunshine after the rain, wash away sorrow and heal the pain. Together we walk through the toughest days, building dreams in 1,000 ways. No silver spoon, no easy road, still our hearts carry the heaviest load. Hands to the sky, let the blessings fall. When one rise up, we rise all. From the valley to the mountain high, no chain can stop a determined mind. Rise through the fire, brighter than before. Knock on destiny's unbreakable door. Dance through the pain, let your soul be free. One love, one heart, one family. Rise through the fire, never lose your way. Gyal, I guide every step today. Hear the horns as they call your name. Stand firm, stand tall, reclaim your flame. Nyabinghi, drum, keep beating steady. Warriors of peace, always ready. Echoes of freedom, ride the wind. A new chapter now begins. Social wars may divide the land, but unity is stronger than shifting sand. Lift your voice, let the people sing. Justice and love for everything. Rise through the fire, brighter than before. Knock on destiny's unbreakable door. Dance through the pain, let your soul be free. One love, one heart, one family. Rise through the fire, never lose your way. Gyal, I guide every step today. Hear the horns as they call your name. Stand firm, stand tall, reclaim your flame. Echo drifting through the night. Nyabinghi heartbeat still alive. Rise up, rise up. Echoes drift across the yard. Nyabinghi drums keep calling. Hear the voices in the moonlight. Da, 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 da. Late night corner where the sound system play. People gather round at the end of the day. Stories get bigger as the night rolls on. Some speak truth while some stay gone. One youth boasts about the things he done. Another say wisdom outweighs fun. The elders smile from the roadside chair, knowing every action leaves footprints somewhere. Words travel fast through the neighborhood breeze. Truth stands strong while deception leaves. Every choice fade under moonlit skies. Sooner or later comes back in disguise. Tell the truth in the moonlight. Stand firm in the spotlight. No need to hide from your destiny. Jah know your heart and your history. Tell the truth in the moonlight. Walk upright through the dark night. Love and honor guide the way. Bright and dawn follows every day. She walk by with a smile so bright, like sunrise breaking through the night. Her gentle words calm troubled minds. A rare kind of treasure that's hard to find. The streets may test what love can be, but she keeps faith through adversity. Together they build where hope once fell, creating heaven where struggle dwell. Words travel fast through the neighborhood breeze. Truth stands strong while deception leaves. Every choice made under moonlit skies. Sooner or later comes back in disguise. Tell the truth in the moonlight. Stand firm in the spotlight. No need to hide from your destiny. Jah know your heart and your history. Tell the truth in the moonlight. Walk upright through equal rights. Too many promises fade away, while hard-working families pray. Still the people keep holding strong, turning pain into freedom songs. Justice call from every lane, healing hearts from years of pain. Unity stronger than greed and fear, a better future drawing near. Tell the truth,